In today's video, I'll teach you how to add apps to Android Auto. So first of all, open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Now what you have to do is simply go to the Android Auto settings. For that, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for Android Auto. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on this option, Android Auto. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to add the apps, what you have to do is scroll down. Under the section for display, you'll be able to find this section for customize launcher. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to customize the Android Auto launcher. So if you want to add the apps, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is scroll down and see all the applications that are compatible with the Android Auto. So if you want to add the apps, what you have to do is simply check on that particular application. So check on the box right next to that application. After you do that, you can see over here the application will be added to the Android Auto. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you add apps to Android Auto. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.